my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then hello, my name is Jayeeta. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you this no makeup look, especially for winter season. So if you were interested, so please keep on watching till the end. But usse pehle, if you were new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram handle is it's me Jayeeta. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So before starting any makeup, the skincare is much important, and so for that reason I'm gonna take my Pond's Light Moisturizer, and then after that I'm gonna take a vitamin E capsule oil, and I'm taking the oil from one capsule and add it with my moisturizer and then mix these two products very well, and I'm gonna applying this on my entire face for the flawless look. It will helps to hydrate my skin, and also it will works as a primer, and obviously it will add some beautiful and tremendous natural glow on my face. Now as you can see, I'm just applying this mixture with a very light hands, and it's really so soothing and feels so fresh after applying this. Next I'm gonna move with my concealer, and for the concealer I have taken this NY Bay liquid concealer, and I'm in the shade Dark and White Chocolate Pretzel 3. Just applying this on wherever I have some pigmentations on my face, and wherever I just have to highlight a little bit more. Then I'm just blending this concealer with a fluffy clean brush. For the no makeup look, the base makeup is much important, so make sure you blend all the things that you put in your face is really very well. After the concealer, next I'm gonna take my favorite Pond's baby cream. So as this is a no makeup look, and this is especially for the college going teenage girls, so I'm not going for the foundation today, and I'm going for the BB cream. And I think the Pond's one is one of the best baby cream in India, and also it's very affordable, so that everyone can afford this. And now I'm blending this with the same fluffy brush very well. As this is the winter season, so that I'm not applying any powder, but if you have a super oily skin, then make sure you apply any powder on the top of your base makeup. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm taking the Lakme eyebrow pencil in the shade black, and I'm just filling my brows with a pencil. And after filling my brows, I'm gonna comb my brows with a spoolie, so that my brows look so natural as well as defined. Follow the same process for my another brows off camera, and that's it. Next, for my eyeshadow, blush and lip shade, I'm going for one lipstick, and that is the Alia 18 Colourpop matte lipstick in the shade Mauve Date. Firstly, I'm gonna applying this on my eyelids as a cream eyeshadow, and blending this lipstick with my own fingers. Then I'm using this blush as a cream blush with the help of this fluffy brush. And the formula of applying any cream blush is just smile and blending upwards patiently. So as you can see, I have applied a little bit on my chin and on my nose bridge also for the soft and subtle look. Then I'm gonna apply this on my lips, as you can see. And the one thing that I must have to say, that this lip shade is almost similar to the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Touch Up Spice. Alright, so now I'm just curling my lashes with the help of a lash curler, but this is absolutely optional for you guys. Next I'm gonna apply a mascara, and for the mascara I have taken the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm just putting this mascara on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. Then next I'm just tightlining my upper waterline with the help of a kajal, and this is the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal to give my eyes an extra beautiful definition. Then moving to the most interesting and most sparkling part, which is the highlighter. And for the highlighter I have taken this Malio Liquid Beam Highlighter, which is really very great product, and you can see the pigmentations, wow. And I'm wearing this highlighter on all the high points of my face, as you can see. And after wearing this highlighter, instantly you can see a soft and subtle glow on your face, which is the most interesting and most important parts of this highlighter. And if you are searching for a good highlighter under 200 rupees, then I will suggest this highlighter to all of you guys. This is great. And that is the final finished look. So I really hope you love this video and love this tutorial. So definitely give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification first. So I will be back with my new videos and new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care and bye.